Hello everyone. In today's session, we will see how to find a sum of elements of an array. So now let's go to PyCharm. I'm going to create one more file here. Let's create new Python file, sum of array elements. So we have created a Python file. Now what we want to do basically, so I will create one my array. Now this array contains some numbers. For example, let's say 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 2, and I want to find out the sum of all the elements. So whatever elements are present in the array, we want to find out the sum of these all the elements in the array. So what would be the expected output we want? We want to calculate the summation of all the elements which are present in the array. So that is 1 plus 3 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 6 12, plus 3 15, and 2 17. So expected output is 17. So let's see, in Python it's very simple. In Python basically we just have to use one method, that is in Python we can simply use print sum of an array name, my array, right? So that's it. In Python we can simply call this sum method, and in this we have to pass the name of the array, that is my array. And if we run this file, now let's run this file. Right, so it will simply print 17, that is the sum of all the elements present in the array. So this is how we can simply print the summation of all the elements present in the array. Now I can also show you one thing. For example, if we want to add or subtract some number from this sum which we have just performed, so we can simply use comma, and if we place plus 10, now it will simply add the value of 10. It will simply add 10 into the result which we received after the summation of all the elements present in the array. So it will print, now let's run this file, it will print 27. So basically it will add this 10 into the output that which we got, that is 17. So 17 plus 10, 27, right? So it will simply perform the addition operation. Similarly, for subtraction, we can simply put, let's say, minus 5. So it will simply subtract, let's run this file, it will simply subtract 5 from the output that which we have received, that is 17. So this is how we can use the sum method, right, to perform the addition of all the elements of an array, and which we have also seen that how we can subtract or add any value from that result which we received after performing the sum operation. So thank you for watching this video. In the coming session you will see some more examples or more programs about Python.